Taking you now to Providence, and 3 days after a major winter storm. As you can see, many streets are still buried, leaving residents frustrated and some businesses hurting too.
And now there are questions mounting about the city's snow response. Tonight Team's Leanna Falk is live in Providence with a closer look. Leanna?
Yeah, Dan Patrice, for evidence of residents' frustrations, look no further than Cortlandt Street here in Providence. We have the sidewalk completely buried, almost knee deep, and snow moved into these massive mounds. There's barely enough space for cars, let alone pedestrians. How do you think the city kind of handled the storm this year?
Not very well.
Crappy. I hesitate to say annoying, but difficult to navigate.
3 days later, and patience is wearing thin.
You can't get onto the sidewalk because you have to climb over a hill of snow.
Many Providence neighborhoods still dealing with snow-packed streets and limited access, especially on side roads. George here lives on Tell Street. He says plows came through, only partially knocking out the snow.
They only plowed about this much of the street. As you can see, I am shoveling the rest out so I can park my car.
He says streets weren't cleared curb to curb, making parking and driving a challenge.
Even going at 10 miles an hour, when I go to stop, my car slid almost 50 feet.
The frustration extends to the sidewalks, particularly here in the West End.
We still have giant piles of snow that are blocking the sidewalks.
To get around the side streets felt like an afterthought.
On Rochambeau Avenue, it's anything but business as usual.
We've all had to cancel 2 full days of clients now because there's just nowhere to park.
Elise Farnsworth owns Aero Salon. She says snow piled several feet from the curb has blocked all available street parking for her and her clients.
We're all healthy, we're ready to go. There's just simply nowhere to park.
A spokesperson for Mayor Smiley's office acknowledged the frustration. In a statement to NBC 10, he says crews worked for 36 hours straight, prioritizing main roads and hospital routes, and continued to clear neighborhood streets and remove snow.
I just feel a little frustrated with the taxpayer dollar.
Now, the city says they will continue clearing streets and removing snow piles just like these in the coming days. Live in Providence, Leanna Falk, NBC 10 News, Night Team.